What's up, my friend? Abby here, and today I am super excited to announce my second annual virtual writing retreat. Last year, we took the month of June to focus 100% on our writing projects and take a writing retreat from home. It was a lot of fun and super productive, so I decided to make this an annual thing here on my channel, and this year it's going to be even better. For the month of June, I am going to be taking a break from videos and podcasts, and instead I'm going to be doing Write With Me live streams every Wednesday and every weekend. The live writing sessions will be held at different times each week so that everyone has a chance to join us on this challenge. There is no set goal or word count to achieve. This writing retreat is meant to be fully customizable to suit your needs. Maybe you want to write a new novel, or make progress on writing a screenplay, or edit an old manuscript that's been sitting on the back burner for too long. Choose that work in progress that you never have time to work on and commit to working on it this year, this June, with me at the writing retreat. The goal is to show up for yourself 30 days in a row and to make a habit of creativity. This writing retreat is also going to include daily accountability and motivation and community discussion via my brand new Discord channel, which is now available in the Writer's Life Wednesday Patreon community. You guys have been asking for this forever, and I'm sorry it's taken so long, but I decided finally this is the moment, this is the perfect time to start a Discord. The Discord is basically going to be like our exclusive clubhouse where we get to hang out with each other and chat about our writing projects and motivate each other to keep going. So if you want in on that, go to patreon.com/Abbie Emmons. You can get access to the Discord by joining at any level. Otherwise, you can join me every Wednesday and weekend here on this channel to write live with me and make progress towards your dream author life. And if you're not on my VIP email list yet, you can sign up by clicking the link below this video and you'll never miss a live writing session. Okay, I'm so excited. This is going to be awesome. Comment below and tell me, are you going to join me on this virtual writing retreat? If you could take the month of June to focus on one writing project, what would it be? Subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss the first live writing session on Wednesday, June 1st, and share this video with a writer friend who might want to join you on this adventure. Okay guys, I'm so excited. Remember to click the link below to sign up for the email notifications and to join the Discord channel. It's gonna be so much fun. I can't wait. I hope to see you on this journey. Until then, rock on. Shh.